my lord. I, a soldier and feared. What need we fear, who knows it, when none can call our power to account? Yet, who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him? The Thane of Fife had a wife. Where is she now? What will these hands ne'er be clean? No more of that, my lord, no more of that! You are all with this starting! Here's the smell of the blood. Still, all the perfume of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh. Wash your hands. Put on your nightgown. Look not so pale. I tell you yet again, Banquo's buried. He cannot come out of his grave. To bed. To bed. I hear a knocking at the gate. Come! Come, come, come! Give me your hand! What's done cannot be undone. To bed. To bed. To bed.